All right, guys, sorry about that. So we'll put on a new fuel line. And,
It's very simple.
yeah, super easy. And, this is the old grimy one. This is the new one. Pretty self-explanatory.
Like this. Like this.
So do you have to put hose clamps on all four?
I think that I did mistake.
What did you do?
Too short.
Well, at least you got extra hose. Did Nikolai leave?
Nikolai?
I mean,
Sergey.
Sergey, sorry.
Sergey wants to drink some beer.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Did you tell him I'm a recovering alcoholic?
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. Good.
I know. I thought that it's not the problem if we will drink just a little bit.
So are we going to put hose clamps here, there, there, and there?
I think that we will install clips here, here, and here.
Not on top?
Not on top, because if this filter contains dirt and rust from tank, you can easy to check it.
Oh, okay.
You can remove it and open and check. So I think we can leave this without.
Okay.
Clamp. It's very tight, so
And it's in the right direction too, right? Okay.
we can use this part from other side.
Okay.